Hey, Kaikane here. It may be a bit noisy as I'm out here in Shibuya having a nice espresso, so bear with me. Today's episode will be a bit fun and interesting as you'll get to know a bit more about my secret statistics and so on from the start of my teaching career to the present day. Basically, the students I've taught from 2001 to present is about over 500,000. That's a minimum. I'm just rounding it off about that. It is quite a bit. But that's the roundabout figure since 2001 of May until present day. I still work. I'm not retired yet. I love working. I love teaching, and I'm not going to stop teaching probably for another 20 years. There are some other lazy bastards out there who claim they have gotten rich teaching English quickly, and they retire at 30 or 40, which is a bunch of BS, so don't believe them. Anyway, the next. Revenue acquired since teaching career began in 2001. This is one that all of you have been waiting for. It is top secret, but it is quite a lot of cash, and it is well into the 7 figures, no doubt. Current private international student count, 1,100 plus students. Current female private student count, ages 21 to 50, 900 plus. Current male private student count, ages 21 to 50, 100 plus. Current group lesson count, 100 plus. These are awesome as your money doubles in the hour. If you have a group of 4 people, for example, and your rate is $30 an hour, you have $120 per hour. Keep it in mind. Keep your rate the same per hour for group lessons. That's all I'm going to say. Trust me. Current corporate English classes count, about 100 plus. Current teaching locale. Now I'm in Tokyo. I do teach a lot throughout Japan. For example, Osaka, Nagoya, Kyushu, Fukuoka, Okinawa, Sapporo, etc., etc. So I do get around a bit throughout Japan. I also go to China for about 3 months out of the year, and I do stuff in Shanghai, Beijing, Tsingtao, and sometimes other areas throughout China as well. Current internationally published book count, 5. Current country count of teaching English abroad, 15, ranging throughout Europe, Middle East, and Asia, mostly. Private students age group range, I only teach students from 21, capping off at 50. Nothing younger, nothing older. Current private lesson rate, this ranges usually from $60 to $200 per hour for private one-on-one classes, and obviously more for group or corporate classes. This does also depend on where I am. I do tend to get more money throughout private lessons in China, for example, when I'm in Shanghai and Beijing. And also I get quite a bit in Japan as well, especially in Tokyo. But I do have to say I make more money for private lessons in Shanghai, simply because they want to study more nowadays than the Japanese. Okay? Next. Current monthly income. I get asked this way too often, but always avoid it. However, today I'll just give all of you a nice roundabout figure for some inspiration. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. It ranges anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 US per month, sometimes more, of course, if I have loads of seminars and corporate classes. I think the most amount of money I made in 1 month just from teaching English alone was about $40,000. I shit you not. I'm being straight up, very real with you. Okay. Net worth gained from teaching English abroad since 2001. As I said before earlier on in this video, 7 figures and then some. And that's all you need to know. Not going to rub it in, but just want you to know for a bit of further enlightenment and inspiration so that you can get the ball rolling and get to where I am now, making tons of money, teaching English. Get off your asses, start making money, be real with yourselves, follow your dreams, get with your passion, teaching English overseas, in Japan or China or wherever you want to teach, wherever makes you happy. But get the ball rolling, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that's it for today. You ladies and gents have a lovely and great day. Have a great weekend. Be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation with me to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad and know where the best places on earth of where to move to teach English overseas are, or to learn the best and secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out on your journey of getting rich teaching English abroad. Have a great day. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.